This is how low the bar has gotten. Is that this now is entertainment for men. Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Coffee Pod. My name is Shishi Zed. TikTok still remains one of the most strangest places in the world, but once in a while you see something that will catch your eye, and today was definitely not an exception. Check this out.
Take it back.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome. It's a real plate. There you go, baby.
Thank you, babe.
You are so welcome. So welcome.
So what you guys are watching right there is videos of a wife serving her man food. This is literally all or most of the videos on this couple's page, right? It's just her making food and serving it. And they have over like 100K followers. I thought this was really interesting, right? Things have gotten so bad today with women that this right here is entertaining to men, right? This is the closest most men will get to a woman serving them food. Now that I look at it, it's kind of like a POV type situation, right? It's like they almost make you feel like it's you. This is how low the bar has gotten. Is that this now is entertainment for men. In the comment section, there's men saying things like, "You're a lucky guy, she's wonderful," and they'll watch these videos of her just basically cooking food and handing it over to him. But again, the only thing that went through my mind is this how bad things have gotten, that we see something like this and we're just like, oh man, must be nice. Like, here's rare footage of a woman serving her man. Of course, she does a little dance at the very end. That's good, right? Men appreciate this. And again, this is probably the closest most men will get to a woman cooking for them. Most men today, I believe, probably cook better than their women that they're with. Women have lost the concept of pleasing a man in the kitchen. Most women don't know how to cook. They don't know what they're doing in the kitchen. They'll rather buy you food than cook. It makes a difference when a woman can cook for you. It makes a difference when you're attracted to the woman who is cooking for you. Also, when you know that she worked in the kitchen, she had to put in some work to get the food to taste good, it tastes better. I believe there's some truth to that age-old saying, the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. A woman who can cook right now is like prized possession. A woman who knows what she's doing in the kitchen, you know, it's rare and it's difficult to find that. And a woman who can do it with a smile on her face. Like, this woman is dancing. She looks pleasant. It's almost like she enjoys cooking. Yes. I can hear the women right now, like, man, you've got two hands, make your own plate, right? They don't like this coffee.
This coffee smells like shit.
Cooking a good meal is a big flex, right? A woman who is like a solid, let's say like she's a solid 6 or 7. If she can cook really well, easily an extra 2 points on there. If the food's like good, right, and she knows what she's doing. I'm not talking about microwaving shit and like box shit. I'm talking about can actually cook. Plenty of men have decided to marry a woman just based on like the cooking and the food, and how she could cook really well was a determining factor. And being an African man, I know personally, I cannot picture myself being with a woman long-term, committed, who just didn't know what she was doing in the kitchen, who was lost when it came to being in the kitchen. Now, don't get me wrong, I will bust those cheeks fast, not slow. Right? I will do that. But take you seriously, not gonna happen. But like I was saying, guys, the fact that a woman simply just serving her man on camera and doing that over and over again is actual quality content in our day and age lets you know how far women have really fallen and how low the bar has been set for modern women. Imagine 100 years ago, somebody documenting serving food to their man. They would have been like, wait, what's so special about this? Now we're like, oh my gosh, did she cook that? That's amazing. Hey guys, as always, I'm curious to know what you guys thought of the video. Could you guys handle being with a woman long term who doesn't cook? Maybe that's not huge on a priority list for you. And of course, I appreciate you guys for checking out this episode of the Coffee Pod. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.